Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2024, and we're diving into Visa's latest earnings report for the fiscal fourth quarter and full year 2024. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Visa has just released their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Visa reported a net revenue of $9.6 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 12% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Visa's revenue growth is primarily driven by stable increases in payments volume, cross-border volume, and processed transactions. For the full year, net revenue reached $35.9 billion, marking a 10% increase. This consistent growth reflects Visa's strong market position and effective strategies in expanding their payment solutions globally.
And how about profitability?
Visa's GAAP net income for the fourth quarter was $5.3 billion, a 14% increase, while the full-year GAAP net income was $19.7 billion, also up 14%. This profitability surge is supported by their operational efficiencies and strategic cost management, which have allowed them to maintain strong margins.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Visa's operating expenses have increased, yet they still manage to enhance profitability. Can you explain how they achieved this, John?
Absolutely. Despite a 7% increase in operating expenses for the quarter, Visa has effectively managed costs through strategic investments in marketing and personnel, which are crucial for sustaining growth. For the full year, operating expenses rose by 6%, but this was offset by revenue growth and operational efficiencies.
Looking ahead, what can investors expect from Visa?
Visa has increased its quarterly dividend by 13% to $5.90 per share, reflecting confidence in future cash flows. Additionally, they repurchased $16.7 billion worth of shares in fiscal 2024, indicating a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders. These actions, combined with their strategic acquisitions, position Visa well for continued growth.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Visa has been active in strategic acquisitions. Can you tell us more about their recent moves?
Visa recently announced the acquisition of Featurespace, a company specializing in AI-driven fraud prevention. This acquisition is expected to enhance Visa's capabilities in mitigating payment fraud, a critical area as digital transactions continue to rise. It's a strategic move to bolster their technological edge in the payments industry.
How does Visa's market position look with these initiatives?
Visa's cross-border volume grew by 13% in the fourth quarter and 15% for the full year, highlighting their strong international presence. With 61.5 billion processed transactions in Q4, up 10%, Visa is well-positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for secure and efficient payment solutions globally.
Risks and challenges. While Visa's performance is strong, there are some challenges on the horizon. Can you elaborate on these, John?
One significant challenge is the recent lawsuit filed by the U.S. Department of Justice, alleging Visa's violation of the Sherman Act. Visa has deposited $1.5 billion into a litigation escrow, which shows their preparedness to handle potential liabilities. Additionally, the payments industry is highly competitive, and Visa must continuously innovate to maintain its leadership position.
How might these challenges impact Visa's future?
While these challenges pose risks, Visa's proactive measures and strong financial position should help mitigate potential impacts. Their focus on innovation and strategic acquisitions will be key in navigating these hurdles and sustaining growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Visa has delivered a robust performance for fiscal 2024, with significant growth in revenue and profitability. Their strategic initiatives, including the acquisition of feature space, position them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Visa's strong financial results and strategic moves indicate a positive outlook. Their ability to navigate challenges while capitalizing on growth opportunities makes them a compelling investment prospect.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Visa's performance in the comments below. Until next time.